Good afternoon.
Let's carry it.
Hey, you get one babe. Where they make me vex?
Ah! Why you want scatter machine?
Hey, no vex now.
Stop talking. Let's
If they make me vex, I won't make you do something. Give me what you say. If I touch her, she go follow me.
What? You mean touch and follow?
You know am. You don't do am before.
You dey ask me.
You dey walk?
If I give you this, you not go touch another person.
No.
Just go straight to the girl. You dey hear me?
I dey hear.
Give me your hand.
Right or left?
The two.
You dey pay me, don't you?
Oh yeah, go.
Yes, sir. I go come give you the testimony. Thank you.
What? Hey! I hear me, me, by me.
Baby.
Yes, sir. What happened?
When you touch me yesterday, you start to the day on it.
Emmanuel, are you telling me the truth? Jesus is Lord.
Baby.
Hey.
You don't know where the bed is getting. Oh, baby, give it to me. Hard.
Funke.
No, you are old.